Hi Josie fam, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well and I hope you are all staying safe. So this video is going to be an eyeshadow tutorial, and I'm going to start by using my Revolution Ultimate Eye Base eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to blend that out on my eyelids after applying. So I'm going to show you how to do the basic halo eyeshadow look, and it's going to be beginner friendly. And so far it's very essential to base the eyes before you go in with your eyeshadow. And so I'm going to use this Tarte Pro eyeshadow palette, and it's from Tarte, and I'm going to take this CB8 brush and pick this shade called Whimsy as my transition shade. So far, in the absence of an eyeshadow primer, you can use your concealer to prime your eyes before you apply your eyeshadow, and this will help the colors to pop. And so far, I use that transition shade on my outer V and my inner corner, and also blend that into the crease. Next, I'm going to take this CB9 brush, and I'm going to take this shade called Smoked and smoke the outer V and the inner corner of the eye, and I'm going to bring that color right on the socket area. Not too much into the crease, just on the socket area where the eyeball enters the eye, and I'm going to smoke that area. Next is to cut the crease, and I'm using a concealer to cut the crease right in the middle of the eyelid, and that is what is going to give me the halo effect. And I'm going to take this CB12 brush and take this shade called Classic. It's an off-white shade, and I'm going to apply that right on the concealer or the cut crease I just did. So I went in again with Smoked and blended the edges of that halo. Next is to apply eyeliner, and I'm using this Karité eyeliner, and I gave myself this wing, and I love the way this eyeliner works. And I'm going to apply some eyelashes from Eyelashes by Nadia, and the lash glue from Nadia as well. And I'm also going to apply some mascara before I go in with the falsies, and so I'm using this waterproof mascara from L'Oreal. Next, I'm going to take this CB11 detailed brush and apply Smoked right underneath the lash line, and I'm going to take this shimmer shade called Glam and apply that right in my tear duct area, and this will open up the eyes and also make them pop. And so finally I went in with some mascara on the lower lashes and some black kajal in my waterline, and this will tie the whole eye look together. Fam, I love how pigmented these eyeshadow colors are. I love how the eyelashes are looking and giving me this natural sultry glam look. The eyeliner I absolutely love. The lash glue gives a strong hold, and I strongly recommend. I love the eyeshadow brushes from Colorbox Cosmetics, And fam, I hope you give this look a try. I can't wait to come your way with more eyeshadow looks using the halo eye technique. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more. Bye.